Hey YouTube, what's going on? Have a new shoe video here for us today. This one's a little bit different of what we usually have going on. As you can see, you have the GOAT sticker on here. This was a purchase I made through the GOAT app, my first one. Heard some good things about them and finally decided there's a good deal. I'll tell you about it in a second. But what we have here is a purchase made through GOAT, and it is the Ultra Boost Lux edition. Now this is a shoe that I was currently, well at the time, I was sitting on the fence, $200. Didn't really appeal to me at that price point. But GOAT had some pretty good deals where this one, for instance, was $160 plus $10 shipping, came out to $170. So, about like $40 under retail when you factor in like shipping and all that. So pretty good deal. And yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at it. So first off, you'll notice you have the, your standard Ultra Boost box. The GOAT presentation is pretty nice. So the box that it came in is just a regular box, but you do get like this little nice touch here. Just like a, I don't know what exactly to call this, but just, yeah, I'm getting rid of that, whatever it is. So let's go ahead and take a look at these. All right, so here we got a little paper basically just kind of showing, I guess, the GOAT authentication process, what it is. GOAT, greatest of all time. So lets you know that someone did indeed check these out to verify that they are authentic. I gotta say also the turnaround time was great. I believe I ordered them on like a Friday, and then I was able to receive them like the next Tuesday or Wednesday. So it was really weird because normally I know they ship the item to GOAT, and then from GOAT, once it's authenticated, it's sent to you. But when I made the purchase, it was like that same day I got the notification that it was being shipped to me. So I don't know if it was because it was a sale item, like some sort of promotion they had going on. But yeah, I was very happy with the, with the timing for this. But yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at these. So wow, just like first impression on these, very, very, very nice. This is the Lux Ultra Boost. I know some people were kind of, there have been a little bit of complaints about it, just saying that they could have gone a little further into the luxury realm, I guess, where they could have maybe included like a leather cage or, really made this stick out as a luxury, Ultra Boost Lux. But the colors and everything, very, very nice. You may be able to see that the Prime Knit does have a very different texture. I heard it's very similar to the original shoe in this collaboration. So this was originally I believe it was a Social Status collab, and that one is in like that Oreo colorway, and it does seem to have that same type of texture. I've never seen those in person, so I can just really speak from what I've seen in videos and on in photographs. But yeah, so you got that nice little different texture here. And then it kind of rolls into this other one that kind of goes around the, the back of the toe box here, right before you get into the, I guess, the tongue area. You do have the very nice suede on this portion in like a darker color with the consortium hole punch here in the lighter tan. Very good suede as well. Kind of going around. I did notice you have another type of suede here around the toes, but this definitely doesn't feel as premium as what you have on this portion here. So, but this is probably going to get a little bit beat up anyways. I tend to bang this up against like the, the doors, sidewalk, whatever it may be. But so you have that there, and that same materials right here on the back. You got your standard Ultra Boost heel cup, like a darker gray. And then inside, you do have, let's see if you can get a good look at this. You do have the consortium handshake with consortium written all over it. And let me see if I can take this out real quick. It does look pretty different from anything I've seen before. Wow, so definitely looking at this, I can see, you do see that it is raised a bit all throughout the insole. Pretty nice. And then standard boost inside just that neoprene material. Let me go and take a look. Yeah, you do also have some laces here, rope laces, pretty nice. Don't really have that with any other Ultra Boost that I know of. I think I might actually kind of switch these out for the white flat ones. It's kind of a different look. It's kind of like a darker tan with like a gray kind of speckled in on there. Let's see. Other than that, you have your gray Continental outsole. Pretty nice. I don't like when they do the white because it does get dirty. Well, I know it's a shoe and it'll get dirty anyways, but I do like when it's a darker color, And yeah, overall, I gotta say this is a very nice shoe, especially for the price. Yeah, and as far as with the GOAT purchase experience, it was great. Again, this is not sponsored in any way. I have like 10 subscribers, so yeah, no worries there. Oh, and also the lace aglets. They are a nicer material. I don't know if they're like they feel kind of like a metal, but yeah, very nice. Yeah, I definitely say I wouldn't say it's like a super luxurious, but it for sure has a luxurious vibe to it. Going with the suede, the pattern, the additional pair of laces. I don't think I would have paid $200 or anything above retail for these, but I think for the price of $160, $170 with shipping, I think it's a great deal. I think I might sit on these a while until spring or summer comes around. I think these would look very, very nice. I do really like that leather insole. It does feel a little bit thicker than the than traditional Ultra Boost, so I think I will have to try them on, and I'll let you know the sizing. I went with my normal 10.5 size on this. That's what I wear on the 3.0s, 4.0s, so I did go with just my regular 10.5, so I'll definitely try them on and let you know how they fit. But yeah, pretty impressed with the GOAT purchase experience. I've sold a few items on there and it's always been great. But this is my first purchase, and I gotta say I'm impressed. It was very quick. I don't know if that's out of the ordinary with, it was shipped basically the same day I made the purchase. I definitely do business with them again. I do use StockX primarily, but the price on these was way too tempting. Couldn't pass that up. So yeah, I definitely recommend checking them out. I'll go ahead and throw a few more photos in there. I'll see if I can maybe switch these laces out. And yeah, thanks for tuning in. Hope you liked this video. Hope you found it helpful. I do try to put out one of these videos each week. There's some pretty interesting things that I have coming in. But yeah, if you were just, like the video, subscribe, maybe leave a comment what you think about these. I think they're very nice. And I think many would agree with me, like the price tag, $200, maybe a little too steep, especially anything above that. I mean, they're nice, but not paying resale nice. So yeah, just let me know what you think and go ahead and go into the photos here. Okay guys, I forgot one thing. So I went ahead and tried them on. 10.5 did work out. So my true to size did work out, or I guess the size that I would get in my usual 3.0s or 4.0s did work out. So it was just fine. But I do notice you can really feel, you really do feel that basically how the wording is sticking out. You can definitely feel that on your foot. I think with time it will wear out. I did notice it, but it wasn't uncomfortable at all. You can just definitely feel, it does feel a little bit different because it has the consortium written all over it in the leather, and it is raised a bit. So you will definitely feel that, but yeah, you're still safe to go with your standard sizing. All right. And again, I would really appreciate any likes or subscribes or subscriptions from this. But yeah, here comes the photos.
Sold number 330.